Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Dwayne with Mini Tech Bits. I'm giving you a review today of the Roccat Elo 7.1 Air. This is a wireless headset from the brand Roccat. It is owned by Turtle Beach. So yeah, let's see what we've got. We're going to do a quick unboxing of this guy and then we're going to talk about it. If you are a subscriber, thank you for supporting this channel. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video when you have the chance. All right, so let's jump into it. The headset offers USB-C type charging, a 24-hour life battery, as well as stereo or 7.1 configurations. The mic is detachable. It's got memory foam for the ear cuffs, self-adjusting metal headband, also features on-ear controls. It transmits wirelessly using a USB-A transmitter, 2.4 gigahertz. Tech specs 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz, speaker frequency range, as well as 50 millimeter drivers. In the box, we've got the microphone. So this is what the mic sounds like. It's clear enough for voice chat and everything like that. It lacks depth, but it'll work. Microphone's bendy and very moldable. It stays in place though. We've got a USB-C charging cable. We've got the USB-A transmitter. Again, this is on a 2.4 gigahertz frequency, meaning a very reliable connection. It takes a second to connect, but other than that, the connection's stable. And then the headphones themselves. The first thing I noticed with this guy is the design aesthetic. It's got a really sleek look to it. The headset also comes in black. The plastic on the ear cuffs themselves are actually matte, so they're not going to be crazy fingerprint magnets. This unit typically retails for $99. I like the brushed aluminum finish on the top headband. It's got braided nylon cables that connect it to the headband. The headband is of good quality. It's got this PU leather, most likely, and foam on the top in gray. The headband is self-adjusting. The ear cuffs are also foam, memory foam. The ear cups do swivel, and they can lay flat at 90 degrees. On the side here, we can find the controls. It's got the power button, the mute button, the monitoring volume setting, and the regular volume setting. The charging input is also on this side, as well as the input for the microphone. As far as build quality, this is quite sturdy. I've actually twisted it and turned it, and there were no signs of giving or cracking or anything like that. I'm actually not a fan of the leather or PU leather ear cushions. I ended up buying some replacement ear cushions from Wicked Cushions. They have a store on Amazon. The ear cushions feature breathable mesh fabric as well as cooling gel inside. Using these cushions, I've noticed a significant difference in breathability and just the cooling in general. I would recommend changing out the ear cushions if you are prone to getting a hot head or just sweats in general. So what about the sound quality? Well, it's a little bit flat. The software that controls it all, the Swarm software from Roccat, it doesn't seem to function for some people. I've had the issue where the equalizer was not working at all. The 7.1 function does work, but then it washes out all the sounds and a lot of it is overexposed. Turning on super hearing does the same thing. Treble, it's a little too treble happy at that point. Overall, it works really well in stereo. On the other hand, the Roccat Neon software that controls the Sine Pro Air works really well, so I guess they're doing it right in their newer stuff. Okay, so thoughts on the headset. Design language, fantastic. I like the lines, and it's clean, it's not glossy for the paint on there. The RGB stands out, and they can be disabled if it's not your thing. But if it is your thing, they do catch your eye. They are actually quite bright, and you can see in the video here that they can be a little overexposed sometimes. The wireless connection is great. I didn't have any issues with it. I walked away from it for about like 20 feet or so, and the connection was still stable. If you really want to utilize the headset and bring out good sound quality, I would use a third-party program to adjust the equalizer settings. In my case, I'm using the THX Spatial Audio from Razer. Final thoughts? Well, I do recommend this headset, but only if it's on sale. Okay, so that's it for the Roccat Elo 7.1 Air. Go ahead and give this video a like if you found this helpful or interesting. And by subscribing, hopefully I'm helping you out as well with more PC builds, tech news, reviews, and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.